Last year, the Bosch 100 series was a dishwasher you shouldn't buy, but they proved some features at $729. It's something you should consider, but not the more expensive one at $949, as you'll see. Gone is the plastic bottom. It's all stainless now, so it doesn't hold odors. The door is a regular Bosch door, not the lighter one of years past. And they included their AquaStop leak detection. The machine drains itself and there's a sensor, so a leak shuts down. It's a good peace of mind if your kitchen's on an upper floor. You also get the core Bosch wash system, 2 levels, sprinkler head up top, same system as the rest of the line. That includes PrecisionWash, the sensors that read the load and set the wash level. So the 100 series has the same wash, same leak detection, same stainless tub as their better models, and it's the second most reliable brand we sell with 7.8% service out of 33,190 total service calls. And Miele is the only brand that beats it, and they start at $15.99. So at $729, this is finally a competitive dishwasher you should consider. However, there are a couple of things they didn't change you should know. First, the top rack shallow, it won't fit much. Shallow enough that you should see it in person before you buy it. And there's no third rack for silverware. And at $729, you shouldn't expect one. But over $900, a third rack is almost standard, and the $949 Bosch 100 series still skips it. Second, they didn't fix the noise. It still runs at 48 decibels. The quietness standard is 44. So you'll hear this one in an open kitchen over the TV, unless you do what I do and run it in the middle of the night. At $729, this is a good basic dishwasher, decent price, good reliability. At $949 though, the reasons to buy the Bosch 100 series aren't as compelling except for one case. It is the least expensive panel-ready dishwasher you can buy. That's what you're looking for. But let's look at the competition at the same price. The KitchenAid KDFS 324, reliability is about a half a point off Bosch on the service data. And when you're buying one machine, that's about even. So both are reliable. It's much quieter at 41 decibels. You won't hear the KitchenAid the way you'll hear the 100 series. It runs around $850, about $100 less than the $949 Bosch. And it has a third rack for silverware, which the 100 doesn't. That's handy. It frees up room below so you can fit more pots and pans on the bottom rack. Bosch 300 series adds the better Rackmatic 9-position rack and the third rack for silverware for about $150 more, and it's a little quieter and is still audible 46 decibels. So $729, you get a reliable Bosch. Doesn't have a lot of functionality of the others, but it is one of the most reliable dishwashers you can buy at that price. $949, you have better options. Want a deeper look at the next better Bosch, the 300 series? Subscribe so you'll be the first notified. And thanks for watching.